Hello everybody. Beautiful weather. Starting to feel it in my blood. Of course, I've been a little lazy today. Saturday. The boss, my wife, her sister, and my wife's sister's daughter, my niece, come in and done some pouring today, which is good. We gotta clean up. We got stuff piled up everywhere. Just kind of showing you around her shop. It's not pretty, but she wanted me to take the plug out of this Japanese lantern. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how we do that. There's my mixer. Got onto them about leaving too much concrete on there. The last time they washed it, I tried to beat it off with a hammer. You know how it is. We like to put cloths or paper towels to help drain excess moisture off. You know, the cream rises, so does the water, and makes a better base. If you ain't got water piled up, it just drips off. They poured a good bit. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right there. She told me to come over here, so there's 13, 14, 15, at least 16 modes. She said take the paper towels off of this and pull the plug. They didn't do a very good job of that, but that's okay. They're not perfect. They ain't perfect either. Anyway, this is us pulling the plug up. Yeah, it's easy to do if you catch it at the right time. She has a little of this. She shifts hers, which I wouldn't shift. I wouldn't just mix it together. Makes her own mix. There's her Portland. Sand's covered up so the cats don't get in there. And there's her gravel. And I'm gonna wash this off. That's her water bottle or water bucket. It's nice to use the water that's not well cold. Makes it set up quicker. Alright. Various modes. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you this mode because I don't remember this. I just seen it sitting over here. I'm like, did I buy this? I must have. Like a bunch of corn cobs. Huh. I don't remember us ever pouring it neither. Oh well, next on the list, so we can do something with that. See y'all guys.